This is Como, Colorado. Right here, we happen to have the old hotel. Behind it, there is the Como Depot. And then behind that, there is the Como Roundhouse, along with a bunch of freight cars, a steam engine in the roundhouse, and some other stuff. So for the past 10 or so years, I believe, we have been, my friends at the South Park Society have been trying to restore a section of the Denver, South Park, and Pacific Railroad here. So right now, we've been able to finish the roundhouse. We've been able to finish the many of the freight cars and restore the steam engine, which is a steam engine from Alaska, by the way. So right now we are trying to lay track. And we aren't wanting to lay it too far out. However, we just want to lay it out far enough for us to be able to have a little area to be able to run the train every once in a while. If you would like to be able to help us restore or help us with our restoration efforts, there will be a link in the description to this video to a restoration fund for a D&RGW Denver and Rio Grande Western Boxcar that you can donate to. We are currently trying to raise $7,000 to restore it. We've raised $1,200 of that so far. I would be greatly appreciative if you could chip in. I myself have donated $100. This is a nonprofit society. We don't really bring in too many donations, unfortunately, especially with COVID. If you could chip in even $5, we would be really appreciative, and keep rolling on, because we're trying to do the best work we can here. We're gonna someday, I promise you, there will be a running train here. Although our plans are for it to be able to run every once in a while. We aren't wanting this to be a passenger excursion train that you could just ride any day. We just want to run it every once in a while, but our main goal is just for preservation, and really preservation only. So help us to be able to preserve this this part of the railroad, and bring Como, Colorado, this desolate town out in the middle of nowhere that's pretty run down. Help us bring part of this town back to life. Thank you.